Welcome to QuoCentric, where the future of affiliate marketing unfolds. Brace yourselves for a game-changing announcement. We're revealing a revolutionary affiliate business system that's been quietly generating six figures per month entirely on autopilot. Want a sneak peek? Join our exclusive presentation right now or claim your spot for an upcoming live demo. Imagine launching your profitable affiliate business in just 7 days, even if you're starting from scratch. This isn't just an opportunity, it's a doorway to change your life. QuoCentric invites you to be part of this extraordinary journey. Joining the ABS program through QuoCentric was a turning point for me. I never imagined achieving success so quickly, says one recent customer. Their system is straightforward and incredibly effective. It's the best investment I've made in my career. Another brand new affiliate marketer very happily exclaimed. The ABS, or Affiliate Business System, is your key to unlocking potential in the affiliate marketing arena. It is a complete done-for-you system designed to fast-track your success. From zero to hero in 7 days, ABS puts you in a commissions-generating position immediately, backed by the power of the affiliate syndicate. Together, we're not just earning, we're changing the world. You've never seen anything like this. Don't miss your chance to be a part of something groundbreaking. Join us and change your life with QuoCentric and the Affiliate Business System. See you there. Come join QuoCentric and the ABS system. QuoCentric